So this is Nambayu, guys. With we will start our journey here in Starbucks and Osaka, and then we get some of our basta guys, nagbaha dito ang baboy dire guys. Nagbaha ang baboy. O kana guys, oh, kalamote itself, and some of our ananala and drinks, and the spicy noodles itself, and the strawberry ayo guys. With all our sugary here, and we can find some of the basta makaon guys. Mentras na pa sa bowl o sa plato guys, makaon na siya. And here is the luggages,